When it comes to construction and demolition projects, the debris left behind can be a challenge. But fear not, AL's Junk Removal is here to make it easy for you. Here's why you should choose us for your construction and demolition debris removal in Westchester County, New York. Handling construction and demolition debris can be a daunting task, but AL's Junk Removal offers affordable pricing, ensuring your project stays within budget. Whether it's a small home renovation or a large commercial construction, no project is too big or small for our experienced team. With a commitment to timely completion and a perfect Google 5-star rating, we guarantee satisfaction. Our expertise in construction and debris removal, backed by over 3 years of experience, ensures a job done right every time. Our debris removal service is tailored to construction companies, demolition projects, and landlords in Westchester County and surrounding areas. Safety and cleanliness are our priorities, making sure every job is done efficiently. Wondering about our process? Construction waste management starts with a simple call. We discuss your needs, set a convenient pickup time, and offer a free estimate. On the chosen day, our team handles everything from trash pickup to disposal, leaving your site clean and ready for the next step. Concerned about the cost of construction and demolition debris removal? The size and type of debris, as well as the project's nature, influence the cost. Whether it's light, medium, or heavy debris, we handle it all, from concrete and wood to metal scraps and appliances. Give us a call today for a free estimate. Let AL's Junk Removal take care of you. We're the junk experts here to help. Call us now at 914-901-3107.